It's February, and in Australia that means the kids have gone back to school. I thought I would mark the occasion by making a boomerang out of school supplies. To do this, I'm going to use two of these standard 30cm rulers that just about every kid in school has. And the reason for this is they already have a rough aerofoil profile, which is what you need for a working boomerang. By taking two of these and sticking them together, I reckon I can make a returning boomerang. If you're in school and want to try this out, grab a mate's ruler and some glue and get cracking. Measure and mark the centres of the two rulers. This is where you'll glue them together. Just about any glue can be used for this except the standard paper glue that a lot of students have. Use something like Elmer's white or clear glue, or if you can get it, wood glue. I'm using super glue just because it's really quick to do. If you've got a set square, use it to make sure that the rulers are at 90 degrees to each other. But this is not entirely necessary, and it's good enough if you do it by eye. If you're using something like wood glue or Elmer's glue, weigh the two rulers down under a heavy book so that they dry into a nice strong joint. And after that, your boomerang is basically done. Now you can reinforce this a bit with a bit of tape wrapped around the centre, but I had some string so I used that. I lash the two together with string just so they're a bit more robust when they hit the ground. This step isn't really necessary though. And there you have it, you're done. You've got your finished boomerang. Let's take it to the school playing field and give it a try. A tip with boomerangs like this. I'm right-handed, so if you twist it like this and hold it for about 30 seconds, that can make it fly better because the tips of the wing are meeting the air at a slightly higher angle. Time to give it a try.
Well, that works. Yes! Got it. This is one of the easiest boomerangs I've ever had to catch.
Conventional boomerang for comparison. So there we go, that flew better than I expected. This is one of the best boomerangs I've ever had. So get a mate's ruler, get a pot of glue and get building. Have fun.